Welcome back, everybody, to Oji-san Draws, where I do live stream art. Then I download those videos, shorten them up, make you a speed paint to watch later on if you missed the live stream. If you ever want to hang out and do some weird artwork with me, come on by. I live stream all the time, usually once in the day and once at night. Just come by and check it out if you want to hang out. You're more than welcome to. This is a collection I did last night. I think I live streamed for almost 2 hours. It was pretty long for me, but there's like 4 different drawings in here, and these are all kind of weird and creepy. Hope you dig them. What I like to call heavy. Check them out. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, maybe some comments. If you really like it, think about subscribing, because I will bring a lot of this to you. Let's get to the art. Remember, Oji-san's got your back. Till the next video, Oji-san out.